In this video, you will learn how to use the Trip Planner feature on GNVRideRTS. From the home page, select Trip Planner. In the first box, type your current location. In the box below that, type your destination. Here, select a type of route that you prefer: the best or recommended route, a route with the fewest bus transfers, or a route with the least amount of walking. Select your date and your departure time, then click OK. From here, it gives you suggested lists of buses to ride, and below that are detailed directions. You can view the highlighted path on the map. You can also toggle the traffic icon to view traffic conditions and road closures. Thank you for using the GNVRideRTS app.